Hey guys, welcome back for another episode of the Crypto Forecast. So I'm gonna start this episode talking about market sentiments because I get asked quite a bit recently how I see market sentiment, and I keep saying I see it very mixed, very indecisive and very neutral. Every time I do polls on Twitter or on the free Telegram channel, I get 50-50 responses more or less, 50 bearish, 50 bullish. Same on Twitter yesterday. It was like very 50-50, so yeah, not a very good indicator right now to predict price in my opinion, except yesterday when the price of Bitcoin started to break down here, this little breakdown that it went from 7,100 to 6,900, and this little breakdown started to happen here when it was in the middle of the night. I was sleeping, but I saw the responses this morning when I woke up, and as soon as this started to happen, everybody went to Twitter super bearish, like bulls show no strength at this level, so obviously we have to go lower. How low is anyone's guess. Now it will go below 3,000. Capitulation is the only option. A Bitcoin below 3K is coming. You see this 8 hours ago, I was sleeping here. People pay too much attention to smaller time frames and tend to ignore bigger time frames. So because of this little breakdown here, everybody was calling for below 3,000 now. Like, it's amazing. So guys, there's no denial that small time frames, let's say from the daily and lower, everything looks horrible. It does look horrible. It looks really bearish because we are below all the moving averages and we are bouncing off the last moving average, which is the 20-day moving average. We're doing lower highs and lower lows, so we are in a clear downtrend. Everything looks horrible in a small time frames, but this is exactly how it looked down here, guys. Down here, I remember like exactly when we were down here, check this out, the last candle here, we were below all the moving averages. We were bouncing off the last moving average, the 20-day moving average. We were clearly doing lower highs and lower lows, and everything looked bearish. And I remember I was doing technical analysis here, and what I was saying is, I remember like it was yesterday, I was saying it's true, there's no denial that everything looks bearish in short time frames. So I get why people is so bearish for all these reasons, but don't ignore bigger time frames. On the weekly, the price was finding support on the 200-week moving average, or what? Yeah, it was just at the 200-week moving average. On the monthly, the price was finding support or about to touch the 50-month moving average. Not only that, the price was also at around $3,000, which was very significant support that was formed here during the bull market in 2017. It was a strong resistance. It took 2 months to break above 3,000, which formed a very significant level of support, once it broke in the upside. So we were also, we found support also there, almost there in this area here. So we already bounced in this area. We were finding support at the 200-week moving average, at the 50-month moving average, and people were just obsessed looking at small level time frames. So you cannot ignore bigger time frames because they tend to be stronger actually than a small level time frames. So in this case now, again, yes, there's no denial that low level time frames look extremely bearish, look horrible, but in bigger time frames we are bouncing on the, or it seems we could find support at the 20-month moving average, and also at the level of 6,000-7,000, which is this strong support that was formed here during the bear market. It took forever to break down this level, forming a very strong support, which is, surprise, also where the price was bouncing on the 20-month moving average back then again. So the 20-month moving average, the first time during the bear market, took 6 months to be broken in the downside. If you see here, it was bouncing on it 1 month, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in the 6th, it broke and it found support at the next moving average. Now, do you think this time it's gonna break down again? It's gonna break again the 20-month moving average, and it's going to do it in the first try, or I guess it would be the second try, because last month we bounced on it. So if it breaks here, it would be the second month. Do you think it's gonna break again at the second try? I think chances are that the 20-month moving average, which was broken once before already, and we had capitulation already, I think chances are it's going to save the day and bounce the price here. And if not, the worst case scenario, at least it will hold the price here for a few months, and then we will see. I think that's more likely than not, just break it like there was nothing there. And again, it's also very strong support from this support that was formed here with all this choppy price action here during 2017. So don't ignore big time frames. The only thing, of course, is market sentiment down here was 90% bearish. So it was much more likely that it was actually going to hold and bounce. Now the market sentiment is 50-50. So yeah, market sentiment, it's not the best indicator right now to predict price, but long level time frames don't look bad at all, in my opinion. So that's that for the analysis. Guys, I'm going to be extending all the members on the premium groups 2 months for free. And I'm going to do that next Monday. So today is Tuesday. So next Monday, 23rd of December, I'm going to extend all active members 2 months for free. It's going to be my Christmas gift. I did the same last year. I believe it was during this boarding period as well. I could be wrong on that. I can't remember the exact date, but I think I've done the same somewhere in this area because it was just choppy action here. There wasn't many updates on YouTube. There wasn't many updates on the premium groups either because there's not much more you can do other than wait. So we are in the same situation. So I'm extending again. I'm giving away 2 months for free to all active members. So yeah, just so you guys know, don't let your membership expire. Be active next week, and I will extend everyone 2 months. And if you're not a member and you want to take advantage of 2 months for free, just buy 1 month, and then next Monday I will extend everyone 2 months, so you get 3 months. And plus, I have this deal down below. You can see the pinned comment. You can buy 3 months for the price of 1, but this only 1 person can use it, and then I deactivate this link. But yeah, if you're the lucky one, you can get 3 months for the price of 1, plus next week I'm gonna extend everybody 2 months, so it would be like 5 months for the price of 1. So yeah, that's my Christmas deal here. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I'll see you next week. Bye.